freshman from UCLA, Kaplan Andrews. Lane 2, sophomore from Ohio State, Julia Marshall Shedd. Lane 3, freshman from Ohio State, Elise Margosi. Lane 4, junior from Penn State, Kathleen Knoxman. Lane 5, senior from University of Louisville, Fernanda Gomez Salvador. Lane 6, freshman from Buckeyes, Farrah Fletcher. Lane 7, junior from Notre Dame, Gwyneth Kovac. Lane 8, sophomore from UC, Lindy Worrell. Lane 9, freshman from Yale, Abel Clark. And lane 10, from University of Cincinnati, junior Hayden Courtney. At the wall, 146.72 goes to